Alright, this is Panda coming to you in the weekend of options expiration for October 2010. We had two core option spreads for the credit Iron Condor service. So we had two positions. The first one was in SPY 119 and 121, and we entered into that pretty much down here, kind of a ways away. The market just basically took off, and it continued to press higher and higher, but the price never got to our short strike, and anyway, we were fine in that. We got into this credit for 16 cents, so we made over 8% on this play here. So that SPY position was a winner for the month, and also we had a position on the EEM. So we had a position open all the way from beginning of the month, and the EEM, since it follows the it's pretty much in tandem with the euro currencies, especially Europe, and this has just been going up. So we had a position open at 46 and 48. Okay, so it was really hanging in. It was really hanging up here for the past week, really knocking on the door of our short strike there. But I felt that this was definitely oversold, not oversold, overbought, and that it probably wouldn't likely last to continue to go up. So I just continue to hold it up here, knowing full well that there's still plenty of room for it to go. Anyway, let's take a look at the graph over here. So basically what we have here is, we see in credit spreads you have basically the midpoint of the spread. If you have a 2-point spread, you have almost a full point, which is giving you your room for break even. Okay, of course, if it closes under your short strike, then you make all the profit. But you have this is your cushion right here. Between here and just about to the midpoint is you have your profit. And once you get past the midpoint, then you start to go down in loss. Okay, so once you get closer to your long option position, within that represents a total loss on the credit, and you actually have to pay for that. So in this case, on the EEM, it closed at 46.72. Okay, so this was pretty much a break-even trade. It was slightly profitable, maybe 1% or so, but let's just call it a break-even play. So that is cutting it close. It's a bit close for comfort this month. It's just pretty much a straight up move. So we will see what happens. So anyway, I do hope that you understand that on the credit spreads, on a 2-point spread, you have basically a full point between the short and the midpoint of it. Okay, so that's where we ended up right here, slightly profitable here at that level there, depending on how many contracts that you're trading. So it just depends. So of course, if it closed under 46 and under, you would have made the full profit. If not, then you just make a little bit. So yeah, anyway, that's that for the month. The other calls that were bonus plays did not work out, so those were just insurance policies for the upside. So those not for the upside, for the downside. So those didn't play out, but those were very cheap cheap place to call if you wanted to get in. So that is that, and I'm about to go to bed here since it's past midnight in Asia right now. So stay tuned for the options expiration next month. It's going to be new. It's going to be integrated with my trading partner CR. He is going to be offering his top technical analysis in options going forward. So he is now part of the service. So we're going to have some interesting plays, offering some more opportunities to profit from these crazy markets. Everybody have a great month.